allegedly offered a 1 billion.
I was offered.
You were offered.
Yes, oh.
What's the 1 billion is an offer to do what?
To run.
To
run
run?
for Congress in Davao. Initially, I thought he was asking me to run against Duterte. Sabi ko naman, partner, kasi barkada partner, para ka mo naman ng insulto, ako.
You were asked to run as a representative.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, unang offer, I thought he was asking me to run in Davao against Duterte. So,
Against Duterte as
because
mayor?
akala niya mayor.
Oh.
Oh. Sabi ko, ikaw naman, kaibigan, barkada. Sabi ko,
Correct.
ikaw naman, partner, para mo naman nang iinsulto. Lalabanan ko yung kaibigan ko.
Correct.
Naging boss ko ba? Sabi niya, hindi. Lalabanan mo yung congressman ng 3rd District of Davao.
Si Ungab.
Si Ungab.
Congressman Ungab.
Close rin kay
Yeah,
Digong Ilias.
who defeated your son? Kasi yung kasan ko, ang nakalaban niya eh. Sabi ko, the offer was made to me May 2024. Alam mo, gastos ka lang ng 100 million, may maiwan ka pang 900 million, panalo ka na. Pag matalo ka pa, after 1 year, you'll be appointed.